Are you struggling to rank on Google even after doing everything right? In this video, we are breaking down the most common SEO mistakes that most beginners and experienced marketers make without realizing it. Poor understanding of your target audience. Many SEO beginners assume basic demographics are enough, but real success comes from knowing your audience search intent, pain points, and behavior. If you don't deeply understand who you are targeting, your content and keywords will miss the mark. This leads to weak engagement, low conversions, and wasted effort. Use tools like Google Analytics to see real-time customer interactions. Learn not just who your audience is, but why they search the way they do. Without this foundation, even the best SEO strategies will fall flat. No SEO strategy or roadmap. If you don't have a clear SEO plan, you will be just guessing. Without direction, your SEO effort can feel all over the place and may not bring good results. That's why having a strategy is so important. How to fix it? Create a roadmap with clear goals like more traffic, better rankings, or higher sales. If it feels too complex, consider hiring an SEO expert or agency. They have tested what works and can save your time, avoid mistakes, and guide your site in the right direction. Lack of quality content on the site. A website can be fast, mobile-friendly, and have a great design. But if the content isn't useful or engaging, people won't stay. And if users leave quickly, search engines take that as a sign your site isn't helpful, which can lower your rankings. Content is what keeps people interested. It should answer your audience's questions, solve their problems, or teach them something new. If the content doesn't do that, it won't perform well no matter how good your technical SEO is. How to fix it? Start by understanding what your audience want to know. Create content in your brand's voice and make sure it's clear, accurate, and helpful. Use blog posts, guides, FAQs, anything that adds real value. Great content not only keeps people on your site longer, but also earn backlinks and build trust with both users and Google. Publishing copied content. Copying content from other websites and using it as your own is a big mistake. Google's algorithm, especially Panda, can detect duplicate content and may punish your site by lowering its rank or even removing it from search results. So how to fix? Always create original content. Write in your own words and share your unique insights. Use keyword research to guide your topics, but never copy others. Original content not only helps you rank better, but also build trust with your audience and shows you are an expert in your niche. You can use AI like ChatGPT for creating content, but if everybody is doing the same, then no value is added. Google is getting smarter and can identify AI-generated content. So use AI only for generate ideas, but for writing content, do it yourself. Skipping meta tags. Many people forget to add meta tags, but they are very important for SEO. Search engines use meta tags to understand your content. If you skip them, your page may not show in the search result. Always write a clear and keyword-rich title tag for every page. Add a helpful meta description that tells both search engines and readers what the page is about. These small steps can help improve your visibility and increase the number of people clicking on your content. Missing quality link on the website. Backlinks are like votes for your website. When trusted websites give links to your web page, Google sees your content as valuable and ranks it higher. But if your site has no backlinks or the only bad ones from spammy sites, your rankings can drop. How to fix it? Focus on getting links from high-authority, trustworthy websites. You can do this by writing helpful blog posts, guest posting, or sharing your content with relevant communities. Also, check your existing backlinks using tools like Href or Google Search Console to remove harmful ones. Overdoing internal links on the website. Internal links help Google understand your website and show visitors where to go next. But adding too many, especially to unrelated pages, can confuse both users and search engines. So this is how you can fix. Only link to pages that are relevant to the topic. Use clear, helpful anchor text so visitors know what to expect. Keep the link natural. Don't overload a page with too many links. Focus on quality, not quantity. And always think about what's helpful to the reader, not investing in a mobile-friendly website. Most people browse the internet on their phones now. If your website doesn't work well on mobile, you'll lose visitors and sales. How to fix? Make sure your website is easy to use on any screen size. Text should be readable, buttons should be clickable, and everything should load fast. Use responsive design so your site adjusts to phones, tablets, and desktops. A smooth mobile experience builds trust and help your site rank better on Google. Ignoring the power of social signals. Social media likes, shares, and comments, these are called social signals. They may not directly boost your Google ranking, but they help people discover your content, which can lead to more traffic and backlinks. Be active on social platforms, share your content regularly, and engage with your audience. The more your content is seen, the more chances it has to be linked to, and links help with SEO. Social media also builds your brand and trust, which matters in the long run. Avoiding these SEO mistakes is crucial if you want your website to rank well and attract the right audience. But the good news, every mistake is fixable with the right strategy. At Ecom Clips, we specialize in turning these common SEO errors into opportunities. Our team is here to help you everything from technical SEO audits and keyword research. Just give us a call and send an email to info@ecomclips.com. Let's talk.